Welcome back, everybody. Sive is here with the Forex Peace Army.com. So we provide as usual update on euro currency. So today we're speaking only about the technical background, trading process, because we have no other important news or events that probably we could need for discussing. So recent European Central Bank meeting brings no surprises. Everybody were expecting no rate change, so actually that has happened. Now all eyes stand on September or even later, when the central bank could make another next step on rate cut. But for now, as you can see, even based by the euro currency chart, that actually nothing important has happened. I would say even that Bitcoin market, gold market were mostly upset with the recent statement from the Donald Trump when he has visited the Fed building. He said that he has no intention to fire the Jerome Powell, and it seems that based on the collapse on the Bitcoin and the gold markets has dropped, that indirectly some markets still was expecting that probably that might happen. But this statement has pushed as the gold market is Bitcoin down. On euro currency in turn, we do not have something like this, so it mostly stands flat. So in two words speaking, our trading plan mostly stands the same. The market stands stubborn near the area that has been reached yesterday, and that probably might be treated as a bullish sign, especially when the central bank meeting already stands in the past. So on the fall time frame chart, here we still have some signs of the bullish dynamic pressure. Market stands accurately above this line, which is important. Now the shape of the price starts reminding some kind of the flag consolidation, which might be as background for possible upward continuation. And take a look here, more evidence becoming the sign of the bullish dynamic pressure. MACD shows bearish trend, but market definitely not bearish. It's not bearish. It's forming high lows and in general stands some sideways action. On the hourly chart, it could be seen even more clear. So you can see that this is really extended divergence is forming, but price action still aimed on some upward direction. Maybe that's the reason with this XOP target that we discussed yesterday, 118. It stands very close. So market usually very rare abandon the important targets. As a rule, trying to touch it and then turns to some different action. Maybe this is the reason. But the plan that we have discussed yesterday, well, has reasons. So you can see that we said yesterday that probably it makes sense to grab half of your profit. And if you would like to take the part in further action, keep the rest, move stops to the break even and see what will happen. And actually it's working. So you can see that you've got the half of the position somewhere in this area. You has lost nothing actually. So even you get some good results on this upward action on the trade from the Wednesday. And now you see, if we will get the XOP target, that's great. You'll get more result. If not, it's no problem because half of the profit already in your pocket. And in this point, I would say that in general everything stands the same. For planning something bigger, we need some more clarity from the market, whether it's will going higher, trying to challenge the top, or deep retracement will start. Currently, it is impossible to say. So at this point, I would focus on the reaching of the XOP and just the final stage of our trading process that we have taken on this week with this upward action. So that's why our recommendation mostly stands the same. If you have the position with the break-even stop, you probably could keep it, hoping that market still will hit the XOP. If you have no positions, then probably today I don't see big reasons for taking the new one. It's because we do not have any great background, no evident and clear patterns for trading, for immediate trading. Besides, in weekends usually, and last time usually happened lots of important events. So from that standpoint, maybe it would be better to not take this risk for now, especially if we do not have any thrilling trading setup. So that's probably all for today. Take care and see you next time.